I'm sorry. I couldn't be enough for you. Not in the way you needed. Not in the way you hoped. Not in the way that would have made everything stay. And maybe that's the hardest truth I've had to face, that sometimes giving your all still isn't enough for someone else. I'm sorry. I couldn't be enough for you. I tried in ways you may never fully see, in moments you might not remember, in quiet efforts that didn't always have words to prove they existed. I tried to understand you, to be patient, to be there, even when I didn't know how to fix things. I tried to become what you needed, but somewhere along the way I realized I was losing who I was in the process. And that realization, it came too late. I'm sorry. I couldn't be enough for you. Not because I didn't care. Not because I didn't love you deeply. But because sometimes two people can care and still not meet each other in the same place. Because love is not just about feeling, it's about alignment, timing, understanding. And we were not always in sync. I'm sorry. I couldn't be enough for you. I saw it in the small changes, in the way things slowly shifted, in the way your expectations grew in directions I didn't fully understand, in the way my efforts no longer felt like they reached you the same way. And I tried to close that distance. But the more I tried, the more it felt like I was chasing something I couldn't hold on to the same way anymore. I'm sorry. I couldn't be enough for you. And for a long time, I blamed myself. I questioned everything, what I said, what I didn't say, what I could have done differently, what I should have been instead. I carried that weight inside me, thinking maybe if I had been better, stronger, more understanding, more expressive, more perfect, things wouldn't have fallen apart. But now I see it differently. Being enough is not about changing yourself to fit someone else's needs. It's about being yourself and being valued for exactly that. And maybe I wasn't what you needed, but that doesn't mean I was not enough. I'm sorry. I couldn't be enough for you, but I am no longer sorry for who I am because I gave what I had. I loved the way I knew how. I cared in the way that felt real to me. And that that is something I will not regret. I'm sorry. I couldn't be enough for you, but maybe this is not a failure. Maybe this is a lesson. a realization that not every connection is meant to last, not because it wasn't real, but because it wasn't right for both people in the long run. And accepting that is part of growing, part of healing, part of learning how to move forward without losing yourself again. I'm sorry, I couldn't be enough for you, but I hope one day you find what you are looking for. Someone who meets you in every way you need. Someone who understands you without effort. Someone who fits your world without having to change who they are. Because you deserve that just as much as I deserve to be enough for someone who sees me as I am. I'm sorry, I couldn't be enough for you, but I am learning to be enough for myself, where I finally let go of the guilt I carried for so long. The part where I stopped telling myself that I failed you, because love is not a test that one person passes and the other fails. It's not about being perfect, it's not about meeting every expectation without ever falling short. It's about connection, and sometimes that connection just doesn't align the way we hope it would, and that doesn't make either of us wrong. It just makes us different. I'm sorry, I couldn't be enough for you, but now I understand something deeper. I was never meant to be everything you were looking for, and you were never meant to be the place where I lose myself trying to become enough, because real love doesn't feel like constant effort to prove your worth. It feels like acceptance, like ease, like being seen without having to change who you are. And maybe we were trying